Okay. We're working number 3. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Cool. All right, here we go. You should have paper, pencil, periodic table, calculator, all that basic stuff. All right, so we have the skeletal reaction. If 25.4 grams of Al2O3 is reacted with 10.2 grams of Fe, determine the limiting reagent. All right, cool. So first, let's balance this bad boy, right? So
Hold on. Let me see. Gotta get myself situated.
I really like when the background is black on this because it looks like I'm super fancy. Okay. Al2O3. Ooh. I'm going to balance it right here. Al2O3 plus Fe yields iron oxide.
We gotta balance the equation, right?
For sure.
Okay.
How are we going to balance this?
I
need 2. I need a 4. 2. And then I can't do it in my head. Blood sugar's low. I gotta write it out. Okay. We need to balance this equation, guys. Balance the equations and drop the coefficients in the chat for me. Fe 4938. Okay. Honestly, Olivia, I ain't even done it yet. Give me a second. I'm working on it. I got. Oh, you know what? I see what you did there. We're gonna need a 2 there. 6, 8. 3, 9, 12, 8. Yes. Anybody agree with Olivia? That one was kind of hard. Do I need to work this one out with my voice? So the way I did this one is I realized that everything is unbalanced, right? The important thing to note is my irons are unbalanced and my aluminum is unbalanced. But with my oxygens, I have an odd number on one side and an even number on the other side, right? Does everybody see that? I have click once to enable lights. Oh, I have an odd number, so I have 3 oxygens on the left, 4 oxygens on the right. That number does not work, right? So they at least need to both be even so that I can do a multiple. Now, what is a common multiple between 3 and 4? Not 6, which would be 3 times 2.
12.
Yes, 12. So how can I get 12 oxygens on the left side? What can I multiply 3 by to get 12? That's a worded question, but what can I multiply 3? Good job. Go on with your bad self. 4. Yes. Okay. Cool. I can totally hear you doing that. Talking to me, and I can't hear anything you're saying. It's okay. It happens to me all the time. 12. Good job. 4. Okay, so now that fixed that. Now let's do the oxygen on the other side. What am I going to multiply those 4 oxygens by in order to get 12 oxygens? Good. 3. Beautiful job. So now let's fix everybody else. So now left side, I have 4 times 2 aluminums, which gives me 8 aluminums, which means I'm going to put a cute little 8 right here. Now on the left side, I have 1 iron, but I need 9 irons because I have 3 times 3 irons. So that's going to give me a beautiful 9 right there. Now we are balanced. Everybody okay with that? Y'all still on the boat? Good. Okay, cool. Awesome. Keep going. So we need to figure out what I've been given. what have I been given in this equation? My given is, I have 2, right? 25.4 grams of Al2O3. And my second given is 10.2 grams of Fe. All right. And I need, what am I going to need? Let's see. Which product am I going to use? Pick one. Which product? Because remember, the whole point of a limiting reactant is to determine which one is going to make the least amount of product. So which product am I going to pick for us to have to find today?
We're gonna have to find iron, or the 10.2 grams of Fe.
Yes, that is what we've been given. So now we need to find a product. Which one of my 2 products am I going to try to find today? First, because remember, we always end up having to find both of them. So which one are we going to pick today?
I said it.
Which one?
The 10.25.
That's the given. That's what we've been given.
Oh.
We still need to figure out what we need. Okay, aluminum. Olivia said aluminum. So let's do aluminum. So we need moles of aluminum. Does that make sense, Dylan, what you were saying?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's go to work. Are y'all ready? This is going to be like so much fun. OMG. Yay. Okay, so we're going to start with our given. Here we go. Our given is, our first one we're going to do, now we can start with your 25.4 grams. I'm going to write in green today. No blue, no red, blue. Okay, 25.4 grams of Al2O3. Who's walking me through this? Someone in the chat, or is someone going to mute and talk? Okay, cool. Let's do it.
So
I have
now,
grams. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Do your thing. I'm not going to talk.
So now, since we have grams, 25.4, or grams of Al2O3, we're gonna, will we put that in the basement?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna drop that, and once we drop that, then
Well, it has to go on top.
mole, Al2O3.
Mm-hmm. Am I done?
No.
Got to keep
We
going.
have to drop mole Al2O3 into the basement. And now we still need to find Al. So we would put mole of Al. And we would put
Why
that.
can I do that? Why can I do that?
Why can you?
Yes.
Because the moles of Al2O3 has already canceled each other.
And because I can use the mole-to-mole bridge to go from one compound to another compound.
Yes.
Okay. Keep going. Are we done?
No. So then we would drop mole of Al into the basement right of it.
Phone a friend. And ask them, are we done?
I know I'm not. Oh, yes. Yeah, we're done.
Why are we done?
Because we needed mole of Al.
Correct. Does everybody see that? My need is moles of aluminum. And I have moles of aluminum on top, which means I can stop. Okay. So moles of aluminum on top, that means I can stop. All right. Now what do I do?
Now, let me go back to yesterday.
Smart.
Okay, I see on my paper. Well, first we need to write down how we found the little thingies. So that would be balanced equation. I remember.
For grams and moles is the balanced equations?
I think so.
Does anybody agree? Phone a friend.
Come on.
What do I use to fill in a hole that has grams and moles? What do I use to fill in this blank? Grams and moles. What do I use? Boom, coming in clutch. All three of y'all coming in clutch. All four of y'all coming in clutch. Coming in clutch. Okay, so we got to use the molar mass. Okay. Now, let's find the molar mass of Al2O3. So I got Al2O3. Ready?
Yes.
Aluminum, oxygen. How many aluminums do I have?
2.
Good job. How many oxygens?
3.
Okay. Tag team, phone a friend. And this friend is going to have to finish finding the molar mass. So who are you going to tag team this to so that you can write some stuff down? Who wants to find the molar mass with me so that Dylan can write? Who wants it? All I need is the mass of aluminum now so that Dylan can write. Where's my pen?
Wait, did you put a periodic table in the chat?
I got you. Right here and paste it. Oh, that's not the periodic table. Copy it.
We don't have a periodic table. I need a
There you go.
periodic table.
I know. Believe me, if y'all were in the classroom with me, I'd have stacks of them and I'd throw them at you as you walk in the door. That's my greeting to everyone. You get a periodic table. You get one. Actually, you'd have one taped in your workbook, but such is COVID. All right. So there's your periodic table. Everybody got it now? All right. What's the mass of aluminum? Who's got me? Nice. Thanks, Caleb. 982. And oxygen is easy. We're going to use 16. Do you have your calculator? Does anybody need a calculator? I can paste a link to a calculator. Here you go. We got to do the step-by-step multiplication. Good job. Okay. 16 times 3 is going to give me 39, I believe. 16 times 3. 48, Miss Stanley. Ooh. All right. And then we have 2 times 26.982. 53.964. We add those together. 101.964. Please check Miss Stanley's work because she's not with it today. Grams per mole. Yes. Caleb got the same thing I did. Did anybody else get the same thing as we did? Mia did. Fantastic. Okay, everybody. Who can help me out? Because where does this number go? Does it go on top with moles or on bottom with grams? Top or bottom? Top or bottom? Does it go on the top or the bottom? The top. Good. It goes on the bottom with grams. 100 and wow. 0.964. Can y'all see that? Y'all good? Okay, cool. How many moles? How many moles? Yes. Good. All right, moving next door. Dylan, are you ready?
I am here.
Okay, I have moles of moles. What am I going to use? Moles and moles.
At this point,
Go with your gut. Go with your gut.
oh my goodness.
You know it's not the molar mass because we use that for grams and moles.
So it's got to be balanced equation then?
Exactly. Go with your gut.
Now I know if it's matching, then it'd be balanced equation. Okay.
Correct. Because when you're matching, it's balanced. Stick it. Those for free. Okay. Moles over moles. How many moles of aluminum are in my balanced equation? So I'm going to look at the coefficient right here, right? Look at that coefficient to figure out what goes here. And I have an 8 there. So we're going to have an 8 there. How many moles for Al2O3?
4.
Good. 4. So many colors, Miss Stanley. All right, let's do this math. Okay. Multiply straight across. Hey, can I show you guys a trick on when you're typing this in your real calculator? Like if you have a calculator like this. Yes. Okay. If you are using the calculator on the computer, the one I sent you, it does not work like this. But if you're using a physical calculator, it works. Or if you have this calculator, put it that way. So you're going to do 25.4 times 1 times 8, like that. And then you're going to do divided by 101.964, and then divided by 4. So all we did was multiply across the top and divide by what's on bottom, and it still gives you the correct answer. If you do not have a calculator like this, I cannot confirm or deny that it will work the same way, but I know it works on this calculator. So if you don't have a fancy calculator, this was like what, $7, I think. All you're gonna do is multiply across. So we're multiplying across. Okay, and when we multiplied across, what do we get?
2.
Say it again.
203.2.
That's what you got across the top?
Yes.
3.2, good job. What'd you get across the bottom?
Times 101.694. It's 406.776.
You typed it in your calculator wrong.
Huh?
Type it one more time.
Oh, 964. I had it on my paper wrong.
I'm glad you said it out loud because that's how I heard it. All right, now when you divide these, what are we getting as our answers? I'm not going to write it down. I'm going to wait for 3 people to give it to me in the chat. With 3 digits in your answer. 3 digits in your answers. 3-digit answer. And remember that 0 does not count. 3-digit answer, that 0 does not count when we're counting the number of digits. Come through.
Yep.
Y'all are not playing with anybody in this unit. Yes. Moles of aluminum. Okay. Ooh, I shouldn't have boxed that, but it's okay. So we did the first one. All right, give me a 1 to 5 on how you all feel about that, everybody. Once you have written everything down, give me a 1 to 5. Once you've written all your stuff down, give me a 1 to 5. Okay. 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 Where's Morgan? Okay. All right, let's keep going. Let's do the second one. So this is the first given. I'm going to erase molar mass. Here goes the second given. Oh, ew. What you doing? Oh. Here goes the second molar mass. All right. That was not my intention. Okay. My second one is going to be 10.2. That's a 0. Grams of Fe. All right, so talk to me. What do I do? Who wants it? You can talk me through it in the chat if you don't want to unmute yourself. Anybody want it?
What are we looking for this time?
Same thing, moles of aluminum.
Okay. So I'll just walk you through, I guess.
Let's do it.
All right. So it would be, you already have 10 points. Okay. So we're going to just drop grams of Fe in the basement.
Why?
I'm not clearly sure why we would do that.
Okay. So the objective of doing that is so that we can convert our units to what we need them to be.
Okay.
Okay. So we don't need grams of Fe. We need moles of aluminum. And the only way to get rid of grams is to divide by grams.
Okay.
All right. Keep it going.
All right. So then we need mole of Fe on top of that.
Good. Am I finished?
No. Okay. Now we need mole of Fe in the basement. And then mole of Al on top. And we're done.
Good. We are finished. Why can I do that? Why can I have moles of aluminum and moles of Fe?
It's because of the bridge.
All right. So now I need to fill in these holes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have moles and grams. What am I going to use to fill in this one?
We're going to use molar mass.
Good job. All right. I have moles over moles. What am I going to use to fill in this one?
Balanced equation.
Boom. All right. Let's find this molar mass of Fe. That should be pretty easy. Caleb, you got it?
He's always the one to first respond.
Because I know Caleb's got it. Because he's got it like
Caleb
that,
has probably already solved the whole thing.
Go on, hit me with the Caleb. What's the mass of iron? What you guys like 55.8, right? Or did I make that up? What's the mass of iron? Or did I make that up? 55.8. 55.933. I was close. It was so close. All right, good job. Thank you, Caleb. 5.933. All right, what number is going to go by mole of Fe? What's going to go there? How many moles of Fe am I going to have? Close, not this moles of Fe. This one.
1.
Yes. Very close, very close. It is going to be a 1. Now you're right. We're going to put 9 moles of Fe down there because we're going to use the balanced equation. And the balanced equation tells us that we have 9 moles of Fe. Okay, how many moles of aluminum do I have? Good. Good. Now let's do some math attack. All right, I got 10.2 times 10.2 times 1 times 8. So I'm multiplying across the top. Multiplying across the top. I got 81.6. Please do this math on your own so that you can practice all this computation. Okay, and then drop me that final answer in the chat when you got it. You got it right there.
Does that say 503.377?
Honestly, my penmanship is horrible, so no. It most definitely says 0.17. There's a decimal point right there. Okay, we got 2 answers. Let's see. I got 3 answers and they all agree. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Let's see what the answer is. Yes, and yes. I got 0.162 moles of aluminum. All right. Now talk to me, don't lie to me. Okay. The question is determine the limiting reagent. Who is the limiting reagent? Who? So the way we answer that is who made the least amount of aluminum?
How will we say that then? Because we know the equation for 10.2 grams of Fe or whatever, like that one, that has the limiting one.
Right. So our answer would be, wow, Romeo is acting a fool. Yes, exactly, Caleb.
Oh,
it's going to
okay.
be a limiting reagent is Fe. And then we're going to go ahead and do one step further because we can. The excess reagent is who? Who's the excess?
Al2O3.
Facts, no fiction. Yes. Romeo, go sit down. Is Al 203. Good. I know you can't see that. I'm about to move it down. Okay, I'm sorry. It says Al203. Got it? Can we go to the next one?
Yes.
Anybody need me to stop? Anybody need to slow down? Anybody need me to rewind? Can we go to part B? All right. Part B. Question B says, determine the number of moles aluminum produced. Oh my gosh, look at us crushing the game. Okay. Moles of aluminum produced. Well, somebody talk me through it. How can I figure this out? Like, do I technically already know this answer? Yes. And the reason why we know that that is the case is because, and we have to write all this out, my loves. Okay. 0.162 moles of aluminum were produced because 10 point, how many moles of aluminum did we?
0.2.
Thank you. 0.2 grams of, who was it? O2, Fe. Fe only produced 0.162 moles of aluminum. Got it?
What?
Take your time. Give me a thumbs up when you've gotten this written down. Awesome. Donovan's ready. Summer is ready. Anybody else have this written down? Anybody else have this written down? Give me a thumbs up in the chat when you've written this down. Awesome. I don't want to move too quick. So 0.162 moles of aluminum are produced because 10.2 grams of iron only produced 0.16 moles of aluminum. Awesome sauce. Let's go to the next one. Ew. It's okay. Move on. Move on. All right. Determine the grams of Fe3O4 produced. Wee. Okay. We have to use, make yourself a note. I know you're writing this on paper. So just put like a star somewhere. We have to use the limiting reagent for the given. Okay? We have to use limiting reagent for the given. That makes sense because that's going to determine how much product we even create to begin with. Okay? All right, let's get started. Shall we write in purple? For sure. All right, so the given would be what? What would be the given?
Fe3O4.
Mm-mm.
No, what? I have no clue.
No, think it through. Think it through. So the given is going to have to be the limiting reagent, right? Because
Okay.
it says determine the number of grams. So
Okay.
determine is a fancier way of saying how many, right? And whatever is what we need.
So it would be the. But we're still on the same. So this is part C,
Same
right?
problem. Yeah, this is
Okay.
part
So
C.
so it would still be 25.4 grams of Al2O3.
That's going to be our excess. So we need the limiting. So what's the other guy? Who's the limiting reagent?
The 10.2 grams of Fe.
Yes, the 10.2 grams of Fe.
Okay.
Do you see how we got there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good job, Dylan. All right. And our need. They told us our need. Our need up here. Thank you, Caleb. Our need is going to be grams. Of Fe3O4. Okay, let's push and see if we can get this finished. All right. Dylan, you want it?
I'll take a shot.
Let's do it. You got to go swiftly. You got this. Start with what we've been given. So what do we start with?
All right. So we're gonna start with 10.2 grams of iron or Fe.
Good. What do I have on bottom?
The same thing, or grams of Fe.
Good. What do I have on top?
Moles of Fe.
Good.
And then we have moles of Fe on the bottom.
Good.
And
What's on
then
top?
we have on top, we need the mole of, it's going to be a big one, mole of F3O4.
Mm-hmm. Good. Am I finished?
No. Okay,
Good.
then we're going to put mole of Fe3O4 on the bottom.
Good.
And then put grams of Fe3O4 on top.
Good. Am I finished?
Yes.
Good job. All right, so now we need to fill in our blanks. So in order to fill in the blank that has moles and grams, what am I going to use? Grams, moles and grams.
Again?
What am I going to use to fill in the blank that has moles and grams?
Okay, so that's going to be molar mass.
Good. Now I have one that has moles and moles. What's that going to be?
Balanced equation.
Good. And then I have moles and grams. What's that going to be?
Molar mass.
Good. All right, let's figure this out. I have the molar mass of Fe. What did we say that was? Caleb gave it to us. 55.933. Under how many moles?
1, right?
Yep, good job. All right, now next door, I have moles of Fe and moles of Fe3O4. We need the formula. So look back. Let's see, let's look back. I have 3 moles of Fe, 3 of Fe3O4, and I have 9 moles of Fe. Okay. So here we go. 3 moles of this, 9 moles of this. All right, next door, I have the molar mass of Fe3.
So we're gonna have to figure. So we're gonna have to figure. Well, we know the mass of Fe is already 55.933, so we can use that for the equation. But the in oxygen 16.
Okay, sure is.
Okay.
Ooh, Caleb, come through.
Come on, Caleb. Yes, sir. Give us the math.
Come through, Caleb. Yes. 231, because we are on a time crunch. How many moles in the bottom? How many moles down here? Who got me? 1. Does Olivia agree?
I say 1 as well.
Okay, Dylan agrees. Does Olivia? Let's see. Yes, boom, 1, crushing it. All right, let's do some math. Across the top. Ooh, stop, Miss Stanley. All right, across the top, here we go. We're gonna multiply a bunch. I'm gonna multiply 2 because there's a lot going on. 10.2 times 1 times 3 times 231.799. I got a lot, and yes, we have to write it all down.
God, at least a big answer.
I know, we got to write it all because we don't want to lose any digits. So you write the whole thing. I know it's annoying, but you got to do it. 55.933 times 9. Write the whole thing. Okay. Now we can divide. What'd y'all get? Thank you, Olivia. Thank you. What'd y'all get?
This is getting way easier.
Isn't it? Yes. Olivia got 14.09. I like it. Let's see. What did Mia get? Okay. She got 14.0 grams. Okay. Anybody else?
Hold on, because they got the different answers.
See what's going on.
What's going on?
Okay, so I'm going to give y'all a little hint here, okay? So the full number we got, this is what I got. I got 14. Oh, Miss, damn, that's annoying. 14.09036883, right? Yeah. Now the hardest part is I need to figure out how many digits will be in my final answer. Well, the amount of digits is however many are in my given. So in my given, I'm going to use green. I was given 3 digits, right?
Oh.
My final answer needs 3 digits. I'm going to look at that after digit to see what happens to it. And so a combination of you guys' answers is correct. So it's going to be 14.1 grams of Fe. Yeah, because we had to round that 0 up to 1 because that 9 pushed it up. Grams of Fe3O4. When I say y'all just crushed that, no survivors. The problem has been demolished.
Okay, now I really get this, and now I'll probably be able to complete a lot of my homework probably today.
Honestly, everything before this is way easier than this. So This was the hardest problem, and we just did it in like 5 minutes. How do you round for like other numbers? Okay, so 5 and up, it pushes it up. 4 and down, it pushes it. It keeps it the same. This is pushes it up.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Oh, focus, Miss Stanley. Focus. Any questions, my loves? Any questions? Any questions? Please tell me I was recording. Okay, I was. Whew. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. I have 2 minutes left with you. Your objective. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit still right now. And for those of you who are behind, I'm going to urge you to do the following things. Okay. Start with, to be honest, I would start with now and go backwards.
That would be the best thing. Because now, since
because this is what's fresh on your mind, and you can go ahead and get this out the way. So if you remember this, it was 5 years ago, but the assignment that this is under is called limiting reactants, right? It's in week 13, and it's right here, limiting reactants. There are 4, 5, 6 problems.
So 1 through 6 has to be done?
Yeah. Why don't we do 1 through 6, and we'll talk about 7 together.
Oh, okay.
But if you feeling froggy, jump and do it. It's not that hard. It's actually easier than what we've been doing. Actually, it's the same difficulty because it's the same problem. Okay? So go ahead and finish these bold problems for homework. Okay? Go ahead and knock this out. So I'm going to write that down for you guys. Finish the bold problems on, what is this called? Limiting reactants. I'm going to put this in an update on the squelliges right now. The squiggly wigglies. Assignments for Friday. Finish the bold problems on, what's this called? Limiting do I call them reactants or reagents? Reactants. Okay, there you go. Okay, anything else? If not, you can sign out and have a fantastic weekend. We just write the answers because, like, how would you show work? Great question. I'm going to explain this now. So the way you would do this is, yes, you would just show your work on some papers. You can put the answers on there. But once we finish this question, you're going to do this question on Monday. You'll click here and upload your work, hypothetically. Yeah. It'll lead you to one of these forms. You'll put your name, you'll put your block, you put your email address, and you'll put, you'll click the assignment, and you'll upload pictures of your work there. Okay, so wait to upload it till Monday when you finish it. Cool? Cool.
Okay, I got a question.
Yield? Don't even worry about it because we didn't get to it. Yep, we did not get to that. Nope, we looked at it, didn't happen. We're not there. Go ahead, Dylan.
What did you just do there?
1 second.
I didn't see.
Oh, so like the last slide, when you finish all your work on Monday,
okay,
the last slide is where you're going to upload pictures of your work to me.
Okay.
So like you would click it, and it's going to open up a Microsoft form, put your name in, click your block, email address, the limiting reagent assignment, and then you'll upload your work.
Dang, I mean, I have to email it to myself. Okay.
Are you? Could you do this on your phone? Could you log into the form on your phone?
Yeah, I could. That'd be way easy. I just thought about that. Okay.
Yeah, log into Schoology or whatever on your phone, and then use the form on your phone. It'll be easy. See you, Mia. Good job today. Good job, y'all. Y'all crushed it. Tommy beat me if you need to reach me. Me too.
Don't you guys?
Me too, Donovan.
Don't you have a a Google thingy?
I do.
Can I get? Oh my god.
It's okay. You guys can skedaddle if you're good to go. You can sign out.
Can I have your Google thing so I can just like get to you faster, maybe? Because like I might have a quick question or something like that sometime.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Um,
Yeah,
more-
like yes. Oh, let me find it. Oh, I think it's on my email address handle. Y'all have a fantastic weekend. Eat, sleep, be merry. Ooh, I have a lot of emails. My goodness.
Bye, Miss Stanley.
Bye, sweet pea. Can't wait to hear what you've been working on the piano. You know, it's my favorite instrument.
I've just been messing around with it, but I did remix
Bye, Summer.
a meme.
Oh my goodness. Dylan, what was I doing? Oh, I was finding my Google Voice number. Okay, hang on, Dylan. Yes. Go ahead, play it for us. 205
Okay, 205
719
719.
6790.
Okay. All right.
Text me your name when you're texting it because it goes to my email. Okay?
Okay.
Julio, Isaiah, let me know if y'all need help this weekend because I can help.